Hi, my name is Melissa Gragg, and I'm a business valuation expert in St. Louis, Missouri. Many people are familiar with the term EBITDA, or earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization. But what is an EBITDA multiple valuation, or EBITDA? This is a term used in various financial areas, including mergers and acquisitions, or M&A firms. It's basically the price the business sold for in the open market divided by the EBITDA number, or cash flow. So let's say manufacturing companies sell for 4 to 5 times EBITDA. People will use 4 to 5 as a general rule, but it may not be true for all industries. The multiple changes depending upon the time period and the industry and even the size of the company. It makes sense, right? The more recent the data, the more relevant the multiple. So you take the average multiple and then you determine the cash flow, or EBITDA, and you now multiply this cash flow number by the 4 or 5. That is the price you could sell your business. In the valuation of the company, there are many methods to consider, and one of them is the market approach. But we must consider all of the approaches to determine a conclusion of value. The market approach uses various market multiples, basically what companies have sold for in the open market, to determine the value of the company, and one of them is a multiple of EBITDA. Of course, it's not that simple because a buyer considers many factors in order to determine what they would pay for a particular company, such as the company's structure, customer concentration, depth of management, and so on. Buyers will also look at adjusted EBITDA, or a normalized EBITDA, which is basically calculated by you review the financial statements and then you adjust for non-operating or non-recurring items, and really discretionary items. This is why it's not only important to understand what the market multiples or EBITDA valuation multiples are in your specific industry, but also to understand what is your historical average EBITDA, or normalized EBITDA. If you'd like to know more about company valuations or our consulting program for companies preparing to sell, give us a call at 314-541-8163 or check out our website at valuationsstlouis.com.